splash and glide. Pacific waves are deep and blue. Atlantic winds go rushing through. Indian waters warm and bright, where dolphins dance in morning light. The Arctic sleeps in icy white.